issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Highland County, Ross County, Pike County, southern Pickaway County, southwestern Hocking County, southeastern Fayette County, Ohio, southwestern Fairfield County, until 9 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Highland to South Salem to Idaho, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Piketon, Greenfield, Waverly, Chillicothe, Kingston, New Holland, Circleville. In addition, East Monroe, South Salem, Lake White, Summit Hill, Bourneville, Latteville, New Kingston, and New Martinsburg are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.